Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to process refunds in Xero. Whether you need to issue a refund for a returned product or correct a billing error, knowing how to handle refunds properly ensures your accounts stay accurate and your customers remain satisfied. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This is your starting point for accessing your Xero account and managing all your financial transactions. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and fill in your credentials to access your Xero dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for all accounting activities, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on the Sales menu option. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear showing you various sales-related features. From this expanded menu, click on Invoices. This will take you to a page displaying all your invoices, both paid and unpaid, giving you a complete overview of your sales transactions. Under the Invoices page, you'll see a list of all invoices associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the specific invoice you wish to refund. You can scroll through the list or use the search function if you have many invoices to sift through. Once you've found the correct invoice, click on it to open the detailed view. You're now on the Invoice Overview page, which displays all the relevant information about that particular transaction. Look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a 3 vertical dot icon. This icon represents additional actions you can take with this invoice. Click on it and an expanded selection menu will appear offering you several options. From this menu, choose Create and Apply Credit. This action initiates the refund process by creating a credit note that will be applied against the original invoice. Next, you'll be taken to a screen where you can review all the details of the refund. Check the item fields carefully and verify the items listed for refund to ensure everything is accurate. If you need to make any adjustments, such as changing the quantity or amount being refunded, you can do so here. This step is crucial because it ensures that the refund reflects exactly what needs to be returned to the customer. Once you've checked everything and confirmed that all the details are correct, click Approve. This finalizes the credit note and processes the refund in your Xero system. The credit will now be applied to the customer's account and your financial records will be updated accordingly. You've successfully processed a refund in Xero, keeping your accounts accurate and your customer relationships intact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.